Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw things for Father's Day. Okay, so before we get started on this drawing, let's make sure we have the colors we need in order to begin and to complete it. So I'll use black as always, that's my outline color, but today's drawing is gonna need you to have a gray, a brown, a blue, and a green, okay? So go get those colors and come on right back. So this theme for this Father's Day drawing today is gonna be about grilling out and dads who maybe like to cook. So I'm gonna do an apron and some other utensils that it takes for grilling. And my thought is you can use any of these drawings to maybe make a card for your dad or granddad or uncle, or you can use these to make a big sign, or you can use these as part of another drawing. But hopefully these help you get inspired to maybe make something for your dad. So let's start with an apron. So I'm gonna do a curved line like this and then a line straight across. And then I'm gonna do a curved line across here. And then I'm gonna finish this off by kind of boxing it in at the bottom, okay? And then we'll need a little string that it takes to connect. And so you can make those kind of curly cues out to the sides. And then you'll need the string that goes around your neck when you're wearing your apron, okay? And then on here, we can do actually a little lettering practice. So I'm gonna write number 1 dad, okay? Just in my regular handwriting, number 1 dad. Okay, but now I can take this and turn this into lettering by tracing around the outside of it and squaring off the edges. So if I trace around this and I square it off, it's almost like I'm making a rectangle around these straight lines. And what I'm doing is this ends up actually kind of turning it into more of a lettering style design. See? We'll go here like this. There we go. And then we'll continue this around the other, and we can just really just trace the lines. Just maybe give them some harder edges on the corners instead of rounded. Whatever you want to do, but you can really just take your own handwriting and you just kind of trace around it to make it thicker, and it turns it into more of a lettering style. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I want to add some grilling elements. So I'm going to do a spatula. So I'm going to do a long rectangle here, and then a skinny rectangle on top. And then we'll do this kind of shape here for the spatula, and then give it some lines there. And then 1, 2, 3 dots there that'd be like the screws that hold the spatula together. And then up here we can do a another tool here. This would be like the big poker fork that you use when you're outdoor grilling. This will be that shape on top. And then I think we could also do like a glove, not like my glove that's only got 2 fingers, but a nice oven mitt kind of thing. And so we'll do a thumb place there, and then we'll do a big rounded spot there. And then we'll do a line across the bottom. And then we'll kind of arc above it and fill that in. It gives it just a little bit more dimension. And then I think we can do some lines across, some diagonal lines, just kind of thinner than you did the rest of it. Just kind of go from left to right, but you don't need to go all the way to the edge, okay? And then we'll do diagonal lines the other way. Again, not going all the way to the edge. There you go, just like that. Okay, and then I think the last thing we could do is we got some room over here, so we'll do like a coffee cup. And so it's kind of like a rounded rectangle shape, and then you leave the right side open there, and then we'll do a curved line there, and then close it up like that in the middle. And then we can do an oval there at the top and fill it in, and then I'm gonna give a little face on my coffee mug. So do just like that. I think that's perfect. Okay, so now we can start coloring this in for Dad. So if I want to start somewhere, let's do with the gray first. I'm gonna use that to color in the utensils that I'm gonna be outdoor grilling with, okay? And we'll do this here, we'll do the grilling stuff here, and then that's it. So next we need the brown color, and we use that to fill in this wood shape, the handles for our outdoor grilling tools. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this green for our pot holder. We'll just color this in here. There we go. And the last one, let's do blue for our apron. And if you need another second to pause and come back and color, you can. Just pause it and come on right back. I'll be right here. And again, guys, my thought was that you can use these designs as maybe they can be your own design, and maybe you decorate your dad's card with all these different cool things, or maybe it can be part of a bigger design and you needed to learn how to draw some of these elements. Whatever it is, I just think it's perfect for dads who like to kind of go outside and grill. So hopefully there's something in this design that you can use to celebrate your dad this Father's Day. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Have a good one. Whoa, make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to doodletoots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.